Today, I want to talk about one great resource that you can add to your portfolio, and it's going to make the huge difference in your portfolio. This resource is free. The only thing that you need is to go to the website. I think you need to also to get the sign into the website. So you don't need to buy anything. You're not investing your money. The only thing you need is time and passion. That's one of the problems that data analysts and data scientists today nowadays have. They are saying particularly at the school, at the university, they're saying that we don't have the experience, but we want to get the data analyst, data scientist job as soon as we graduate from the school. If you don't have the experience, it's difficult to get the job once you're graduated. It's also logical. For example, if you're not gonna apply while you're studying, you're not gonna remember. You're not gonna get that fixed in your conscience. So you're just taking this in your operative memory, but you are not getting it in the long-term memory. So you want to have all the knowledge that you are getting, not all the knowledge, that most important knowledge that you are getting to your long-term memory in order to use, in order to solve the future problems of the future employers. That's what you want need to do. So just remember your mathematics exam at the school. Do you remember what did you study at the mathematics exam? I really truly doubt. I really doubt, because if you're not gonna apply, so you're gonna just forget that unless you don't have the perfect memory. It's a rare case. All right, today's I want to show you this project of the forage. It's the website, and this project is the British Airlines project. And you are going to review the customer reviews, and you're going to analyze the customer reviews. And meanwhile, you're going to learn how to work with the textual data. Believe me, if you're going to do this project while you're learning some text sentiment analysis, textual analysis at your school, or you're taking the courses of Udemy, or I don't know, the Datacom, or whatever platform you're taking the courses, you're going to make the huge difference, because while you're learning the theoretical part, you're going to apply the practical part, and you are going to make this information sure that you're going to have it in the long-term memory. So this this project, just remember to use this project for your portfolio. You're going to make a really nice contribution to your portfolio. So see you next time. So if you have some difficulties, if you have any questions, just leave the comment whenever you want. I'm more than happy to help you.